My name is Prophet Emmanuel Neequaye, a founder and a general overseer of Cornerstone Believers Assemblies International. We are located at Mataiko near Pentecostal Church. Beloved, you can like, you can also share, and also give a comment. And God bless you. I want to share or capture my thought on the subject. Appreciate your spouse. Appreciate your spouse. Appreciate your spouse. Appreciate your spouse when he or she is up to his or her responsibility. Appreciate your spouse when he or she is up to his responsibility. Beloved, we should learn. We should not pretend. We should not pretend at all. We should learn to appreciate our spouse in terms of they are playing their role very well, their responsibility very well, they are doing very well, and they are supporting the family. They are taking good care of the kids, and they are taking good care of home. And they sometimes they provide the necessary things that we need in the marriage. Beloved, we should learn to appreciate them. When he or she puts on a nice attire or appearance, appreciate the finest look. When he or she puts on a nice dress, when your husband puts on a jacket, please learn to say, honey, wow, you look very romantic in a jacket. Honey, you look very awesome in the jacket. Honey, wow, I love this dress. Same as the man. When your wife puts on a nice dress, a kente or a cloth or something like that, please, or a nightie, say, wow, you look very romantic. Wow, baby, wow. Tonight, Charlie, come and give me some kiss. Come and give me some peck. Charlie, embrace your wife and say, wow, you look so romantic. You look. By so doing that, beloved, your wife or your partner get to know that you appreciate her or him. When your spouse makes a new hairstyle, appreciate it and make a nice comment. Beloved, for you to appreciate your spouse, beloved, when your spouse makes a new hairstyle, appreciate it and make a nice comment about it. Wow, I love this romantic hair. I love this nice hair. It look very nice. When you do it, come on, man. I love these things. Come on, man. I'm going to pay for that. I'm going to just pay for that. When you do crazy jokes and make a comment, wow, I wish I'll take you to the place again to do another style for you again. I love it so much. You know, we have some dinner about 2 weeks ago. I went to wear this dinner dress, wear your hairstyle, do this hairstyle for me again. Shave nice thing for me again. When you do these things, beloved, you're going to enjoy your marriage as well. God bless you so much, beloved. You can like, you can comment, you can also share. Encourage and support him or her. Any idea or a new things or wedding drink or wedding nice dress or something like an end of endorsements or something like good. Please learn to encourage your partner in case of shortcomings or something like that. When you dress, the dress is not looking nice, learn to appreciate her and learn to encourage your partner. Stand by him at all times. Stand by him at all times. In the sadness or joy, learn to stand by your partner. In marriage, there will be a tough time and there will be a rosy time. In marriage, there will be a difficult time. In marriage, there will be an happy time. In marriage, there will be a challenging moment. In marriage, there will be a rosy moment. So, if you know what the sadly moment and the joy moment, learn to stand with your spouse at all times.